In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change receiving accounts in Payoneer. Whether you're setting up a new account or just updating an existing one, the process is straightforward once you know where to go. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Payoneer homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't sure how to get there, just open your web browser and type in the Payoneer URL or search for Payoneer in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you're ready to start the process. Next, look for the menu option called Get Paid. This option is usually easily visible on the dashboard. Click on it and it should take you to a section dedicated to managing how you receive payments through Payoneer. This is where you can control the accounts that are linked for receiving funds. Within the Get Paid section, you'll see another option labeled Receiving Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a page that lists all the current receiving accounts you have set up. Here, you can check the details of your existing accounts and decide which ones you might want to modify or update. Now, to change or add a new receiving account, you need to look for the button or link that says Add Accounts or Change Receiving Accounts. It should be somewhere on this page clearly marked. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to either add new account details or make changes to the current ones. This part is crucial because you'll need to enter accurate bank account information. Double-check account numbers, routing numbers, and any other required details to ensure everything is correct. Any mistakes here could result in delays or issues with receiving your payments, so take your time. Once you've entered the new information or updated the existing details, Payoneer might ask you to verify your changes. This verification process is an essential security step to protect your account and ensure that only authorized changes are made. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete this verification step. After you've successfully updated your receiving accounts, you should see the changes reflected in your account overview. It's always a good idea to review everything one last time to make sure it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully changed your receiving accounts in Payoneer. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your receiving accounts with ease and confidence. Remember, keeping your payment details up to date is vital for smooth transactions and timely payments. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Payoneer account more effectively. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or check Payoneer's help resources for more information.